Welcome back to another segment about birds. Today, I'll talk about another bird that you may see regularly. It's plump and fat. It is the mourning dove. The mourning dove has a long pointed tail, shows white spots along the edges when in flight, and has a flight twitter. Its habitat is mostly farms, towns, open woods, roadsides, grasslands, and found in almost any kind of open or semi-open habitat, but it avoids unbroken forests. You would see a mourning dove walk on the ground looking for seed that has fallen from a bird feeder. They aren't birds that like to perch onto the feeder, but they love to see what's around. They regularly swallow grit. The nest is usually in a tree or shrub. Males gather material while females build it. It is usually lower than 40 inches. The nest has a flimsy platform of twigs. They lay 2 eggs. Both parents incubate the eggs. Also, both parents feed their young pigeon milk. Young leave the nest 15 days later, usually wait to be fed for the next 1 to 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more birds.